Today, Las Vegas on a budget. How you can save some money and still go to Sin City. We're here at Bally's. So one of the things I suggest is right across the street here, there's this discount liquor place over there. If you're going to drink, you don't want to drink at the bar. $16 a drink. So, you know, get you a bottle. Go over there and get you something, drink most of it in the room. You save a lot more money for your gambling, you save a lot more money to see some shows, things like that. Also, there's a Walgreens right up the street here. You get you a little 12-pack of water. Still, in both these places, you're going to pay more than you would at home, but you're not going to pay $16 a drink and $4 or $5 for a bottle of water. So you do a lot better to do that. Last day, and we were carrying our bags around with us. Our flight doesn't leave till 9:45, but they wanted us out of the hotel room. Checkout time was 11 a.m. We asked for a late checkout. They said, sure, for $50 you can stay till 5. You know, okay, so anyway, but they'll check the bags at the bell desk. You can leave them there, go walk around Las Vegas for as long as you want, and they close at midnight. So it works perfect for us. We'll go back there at about 6, catch a ride at the airport, good to go. We got another day to explore the Strip.
Viva Las Vegas, baby.
Fees are a big thing to think about when you're booking your hotel. On Expedia, they don't generally put in large print the resort fees, but they'll be there. So take that into account. Roughly $40 a day depending on where you stay. Now there are resorts that do not have those fees. On Fremont Street, most of those resorts are there. They don't have the fees, but generally charge a little bit more per night, but it works out a little better. Also be ready for a $59 a night security charge to your card. So we stayed 5 nights, so they billed $59 times 5 for my check-in during my check-in time. I was ready for it, but if you don't have that much room on your credit card or on your whatever you use to check in with, it could be a problem for you. It could hamper your trip because you don't get that money back until after you check out. A free option to go check out is the Welcome to Las Vegas sign. Don't expect to get there and get out quickly with your picture though. When we went, there was a wait and there was a line. I actually got to see a wedding though, so that was pretty cool. The days of cheap buffets and cheap food to lure you into the hotels are about over, with the exception of Fremont Street. There are a couple places on Fremont, I don't know, that offer some cheap shrimp cocktail, prime rib and lobster, cheap hot dogs, things like that, but there are some caveats. I noticed under some of the signs that have between specific hours. Casino ATM fees, that's another one. They're up to $10 per transaction. A way you can avoid that is use one of the bank ATMs that are on the Strip, or bring some cash with you from home. You're going to need it for tips, but that's about the only thing you really need cash. Florida now. All in all, it was a great vacation. We enjoyed ourselves and we had a great time. It just wasn't as cheap as they make it out to be, but that's okay. I kind of expected it. You know, when you go to Sin City, it's they're going to find a way to get every last dollar. I hope you enjoy your trip. Comment down below if you have some tips that can help us save some money. Maybe I can save some more money on my next trip. Maybe you could help other people.